Evening everyone, I am Pushkarni studying third year BTech at UPAT. Today I would like to share romandroid.aa. It is a smart traveler website that uses AI to help people plan their trips. It has a virtual assistant named Le- Lael, Laelia, who helps to create traveler plans based on what the users likes. Laelia Tyler can help to choose place to place to go, where to stay, and what to do. Make travel planning easier and faster. One of the best thing about Ram Ram around AI is how to give personal suggestions whether someone wants to adventure. The rest or culture funds. Leila can suggest options and match their interest and budgets. This saves times and removes the stress that usually comes with the planning a trip. The website is easy to use even for people who are not good with technology. User can teach us their traveler plans, look at their trip schedules, and update their performance with just a few clicks. This makes the whole experiences more optional and enjoyable. Norm around AI also gives users the latest travel info so they can stay informed about the place they want to visit. The, the website is not only useful but also fun to use with bright color and an interactive design that keeps you interested. If you want to simple and complete way to plan your next trip, the remote ROM Android AI is a great choice that helps of AI and focus on what users need. This platform is perfect or perfect for anyone who wants to explore the world without the usual traveler plan stress. You can check it. You can check it out at. You can check it out from around AI. Thank you.